Okay, let me show you what I have here. Excuse me. One of my cousins got in touch with me the other day and said, "Hey, I've got this Cobra CB that I don't need. A friend gave it to me," he said, "and if you would like to have it, I'll let you have it." So I met him. We had dinner, and well, he gave me this CB. Now it's been taped up, but that's all I know about it. Cobra 25 LTD 40 channel CB radio, built by, what is that, Scan, made in Hong Kong. How about that? So yeah, it has some tape on it, but it doesn't shake around in the box, so we're gonna get a look at it. Now this is the power cord, and it has some fading on it, so that indicates that it probably has been used. That's oh yeah, it's been used. Now I thought we might have a brand new radio here, but we don't. And this microphone cord has been taped up, so it's probably defective. But this white stuff is melted plastic from this styrofoam. Look at that. That is just, cord has just congealed to that. Alright, let's drag him out of here. Like I say, there's no guarantee this radio will work. There's some more styrofoam on the radio itself. And also some styrofoam. It's got a pretty good looking appearance. Really nice appearance. That's for the PA or CB. Noise blanking. Brightness for the meter and the indicator. And a quick switch for channel 9, which was the emergency channel back in the day. Transmit and receive indicator. RF gain, that kind of adjust the level of the incoming signal. Dynamic kind of powers up your Mac a little bit. Squelch is nothing more than like a noise canceling thing. It causes you to not hear any background noise. So you're going to have a relatively strong receiving signal to overcome that. Not bad. How old is this thing? Date of manufacture? Can't tell. Thought this might tell me, but it doesn't. This is going to go into my Ford van. Yeah, that's what it's going to go into. Still has the, I mean, it's really in decent looking condition. Let's see what else is in the box. All the paperwork. All the paperwork is here. Yeah, nice. No mounting bracket that I can see so far. That's inconvenient, but they're usually available at a truck stop. You can get a mounting bracket. Let's look at this paperwork. Now remember this stuff. I had CBs back in the 70s. So the CB rules. Oh, look at it, effective in 1978. So yeah, it's a late 70s or early 80s radio. How to determine the maximum antenna height if you're near an airport. That's funny. Well, there's a lot of information in here. Let's look at the very beginning. Now, if I'm not mistaken, if you're joining the many millions of CB users who have their own personal two-way radio stations, it's easy to become a CBer. If you're old enough to vote and you can qualify for a license, you can get it on the air right away. Remember, though, that you're operating a radio station. Your FCC license gives you the privilege of using the CB channels. How about that? You had to have a license to operate the CB back in these days. At least 1978. Interesting, huh? There's a lot of information in this little book that probably is obsolete now. What else is here? Let's see what else is in this. This is all of the parts inside of this radio. This is the parts list, and this is the schematics for this particular radio. Very interesting. Schematics. As if anybody's going to repair this thing. You know, the common user anyway. This is the operating instruction manual. For channels, frequency range, frequency control, tolerance, temperature, operating area, range, size, weight, transistors, diodes. It's just got all kinds of information about this radio. Good instructions. I don't even know if one made these days comes with this much information. Here's the 10 code. Okay, 10-4. Okay, message received. All of the 10 codes. Imagine that. Used to remember that stuff. 10-200. Yeah, back in those days, though, cell phones were just almost non-existent. I doubt Dynascan is even in business any longer. Look at this. Limited 1-year warranty. What else is in here? The warranty card. Never got sent in. Because things worked back then. A list of service centers. Imagine this. I bet half of these places are not even in business anymore. Alabama Color TV. Allen's TV and Electronics. Wow. Let's see here. I live in Texas. Let's see what's nearby. Should just flipped it over and turn back one page. Let's see here, Texas. They had a lot of service centers for Texas. Almost all of this page. Oh, let's see here. It goes down to Utah. So it's a full page of service centers in Texas. Look at that. A bunch of places. Oh, I'm sure that the vast majority of these are no longer in business. Let's see here. I live near Tyler, so let's see if there's a place. San Antonio, Midland. God, they didn't put them in alphabetical order by city. They put them in here by the business name. That makes it difficult to look up. Rye, Dallas, Graham, Corsicana, Odessa, Canyon. And if you could work on a TV, you could fix CBs too. Monahans, Dallas, Garland, Austin, El Paso, San Antonio, Wichita Falls, Midland, Corpus Christi, Bryan, Odessa, Arlington, Tyler, Jung and Perkins, Lafayette Radio Electronics Association. Yeah, I know where that location is. I don't think there's a place in there any longer. Yeah, Texarkana, Lumberton. Interesting. Interesting. Anyway, so that's my unboxing of the CB radio. I'm going to need to get me a mounting bracket, and I'll be putting this beautiful little thing with an upgraded microphone and a new power cord in my van. Yeah, that's just the plastic from the styrofoam. Nice. Looks like it has a image right here. Yeah, that's the only blemish on it. Looks real nice. Really, really nice. I'm disappointed it doesn't have a manufacturer's date on it, but that's alright. Thanks for watching my unboxing. Later on, we'll install this in the van, and we'll make a video about that at that time. You guys have a wonderful time. Thanks for watching.